Hello and welcome to 3D Survey 4.0. Today I'll present to you a few new CAD features. They can be found in the second row. Let's begin with this one, Trim. Great for when you simply need to cut the line off after the intersection. The second one is Extend. It's sort of the opposite. When your line is simply too short, click on it and it will extend to the first line on its way. If you have a line that has two options to extend, make sure you choose the right end. The last feature is Intersect. Imagine it like double extend. When you want the lines to end together in a corner, select this feature, then simply click on both lines and they will connect. Together we could call them the corner editing tools. Let me show you on an example. Let's say we're working on some automatically detected lines for our floor plan. Sometimes they don't come out perfectly. Let's go in the CAD tab and see how they look here. We can see some of them feel unfinished. Now we'll sort that out real fast. I choose Intersect, select both lines, and my corners are saved with ease. I simply go over them like this. Fast and efficient. Let's do a few more corners. How about these two lines here in the middle? For this we'll use Extend. We extend them to the wall, and now we only have to solve this little corner here. No problem, we'll trim it out real fast, and it's gone. And now we know how to use these tools. This was just one example on where to use them. Please let us know where you would use them, and thank you for watching. See you next time.